In today's tips and tricks, I'm going to be talking about how to create forms in SharePoint Online. This can be done different ways. You can create a custom list, or you can import a list from an existing spreadsheet. To go over the first one, you'll want to log into your SharePoint tenant. And once you're here, you'll want to add an app by clicking the sprocket in the top right. From here, you can select Custom List. Add a name for your list, then click Create. Once it's created, it takes you to the contents of the SharePoint library. Go ahead and go into the new list that you created. And from here, you can start adding and editing columns to make the list however you want it. For example, I want to create a list of customer contacts. I'll leave the title column. Wanted to add if they were a prospect. From here, I can change the title of columns by going under List Settings, clicking on the title of the column, and adjusting as necessary. And click OK once completed. From within this list settings view, you can modify quite a few things. You can add permissions for your list, add workflows. You can add existing site columns or create additional columns as well, in case you wanted to modify a lot of columns within this area. The second way to create a list is to click the gear again, go to Add an App. And in this example, I'm going to create a list from an existing Excel spreadsheet. So I'll start typing spreadsheet, search, do import spreadsheet. From here, you'll create a name. In this example, it's going to be an inventory list. And now browse on your computer for the Excel file you want to upload. Click Import. This will now prompt you to see what items you want to import. For my example, I want to import the entire inventory list. Click Import. And now we have an entire list view on SharePoint made out of an Excel spreadsheet that was already created. For additional tips and tricks like this, please visit www.revolutiongroup.com. Thank you.